Oh, the fridge is empty. I should go get some groceries. This just in. Please avoid open areas. We have a standing statement from the Department of Health regarding a recent outbreak. Please avoid. God, I hope this isn't COVID 2.0. Probably a good idea to stock up extra today. Huh. Where is everyone? Where is everything? The supermarket was cleared out. Shelves empty. No staff. But there were people still walking the empty aisles. But they were walking so slowly. What? Hey! Does anyone know what's going on here? They all turned toward me. Their eyes hollow. I think I need to get out of here.